Here is a very, very short two-car unboxing from 2022 Wave 5. Let's go. First up is Brad Keselowski's Violet Defense. Very, very solid diecast, if I do say so myself. This is not the liquid color version, just the regular version. Here's the diecast. Very, very nice, and I love the purple on it. Retro. Looks kind of cool. Give it a 9 out of 10. And the other car is Corey LaJoie's number 7 Built Bar. Or I guess just Built. It doesn't even say Built Bar, it says Built. 7built.com. Spire Motorsports. Here's the actual diecast. Another very, very solid diecast. First Corey LaJoie Next Gen I've had. So that's cool. Gonna give this a solid 8 out of 10. So that's it.